CNC Glass Processing Center, Glass Drilling, Milling and Grinding Machine. This series of equipment integrates the functions of 4 glass deep processing equipment, including glass drilling machine, glass milling machine, glass special shaped edge grinding machine, and glass engraving machine. It also has 5 functions, including glass drilling, milling edge, grinding, polishing, and engraving. In the process of glass deep processing, one program can complete all processes, effectively avoiding glass scratches and dimensional errors caused by repeated positioning. Website www.zncsuglassmachine.com. WhatsApp, WeChat 861-5588-110989. Email suyala@zncsuglassmachine.com. Dear bosses, welcome to our mechanical equipment manufacturing factory. Since the Chinese New Year, bosses from countries such as India, Pakistan, Brazil, Russia, Ghana, etc. have come to confirm orders and goods for our mechanical equipment. We also welcome bosses from all over the world to confirm the use of our products. We offer one-on-one service and provide 99% service to meet your needs at